Da? Day 3 here in Boracay. Let's go swimming. Hi guys, good morning. So it's day 3 and we will swim here. Harap lang na ano. Dami na agad tao. It's 6:30 in the morning. Ayun na yung grotto. It's perfect weather to swim. Tara, swimming tayo. I just took a quick dip and magcha-check out na rin tayo sa hostel around 11:30 a.m. Then hanap muna tayo ng makakainan for breakfast. Ganda, oh. Medyo mainit na rin. Yes. So beautiful. Ganda ng Boracay. Picturesque talaga siya. No, when you're here, enjoy lang ng view. And unlimited swimming. Hi! We're done. So, hanap tayo for breakfast. Walking towards grotto. Medyo mainit na siya. And marami pa rin tao. Of course, this is Boracay. Look at this. Sige ko yan. Thank you! Look at that! Ang ganda ng Boracay. Gusto nyo tumambay dito? Mas maganda yung shade kasi may mga puno. Siya sa area, papuntang grotto. So, you better check it out kung first time mo dito sa Boracay. Usually, dito mga afternoon, madaming nakatambay dito. So, unahan na lang din para at least maganda yung space ninyo. Or dito kayo maliligo sa area na. May nag-recommend sa atin, puntahan natin yung Sunnyside Cafe. Then we will check kung masarap yung food nila doon. Alright, we're here sa Sunnyside Cafe here in Station 1. Let's try their food. Ano yung masarap kainin. Okay, so here's the menu. So you may pause if you like. I think medyo nasa pricier side touch. But then again, let's check again. Plus point sila dito kasi parang they are partner with the foster care for mga animals. Look, please be guided na may pila ang pagpasok sa restaurant unless may available seats na. Pagkadating mo, much better na i-approach mo na yung reception area sa harap, which in my case, nag-antay ako ng around 15 minutes. And good thing, may available seat sa second floor with a better view. As you can see, I kept on glancing for service staff to get my order. At medyo matagal rin ang pagkuha nila ng order and at the same time, yung pag-serve. For pancakes, ano yung best seller?
Yung nakaan,
Yeah.
espresso ulit.
Who gets cereal yan?
The pancakes are dalawang piraso, good for 4 or 5 people. But I have ordered for one.
What, ano yun?
Happy lang.
And then, cappuccino.
Tapos naman po, happy cappuccino. That's it, sir. Kunahin mo po.
Yes.
Okay, cappuccino sir yan din yung ulit.
Yay! Finally, after around 10 minutes of waiting, so dumating na yung food natin. Unfortunately, hindi ko na siya na-videohan. Pero na-picturean ko naman siya. So, I'll post here yung in-order natin ng food. So, malaki yung servings ng food, especially yung pancake. So, solo siya. However, dalawang big pancakes. Kasya na siya. Yung isa, kasya na siya for one person. So, you may try if ever you're considering for this one na at least solo na lang yung orderin para at least you can share it with partner or with your family. Well, for the overall verdict, we are actually paying for the beachfront view, aesthetic ng restaurant, and generous servings kasi sobrang laki naman talaga ng servings nila or madaming servings, which I suggest na yung solo pancake can be shared by 2 adults. So the price is on the expensive side and well, to be honest, nothing extravagant or special sa pancake nila considering na ito yung best seller nila. I'm not sure lang sa other food that they serve, but let me know which one you tried so we can check sa pag-review. We'll give another try. While we're at it, let's just enjoy the view, pancake, and yung coffee. Ikaw, you may try it naman since we have different taste palette or try other food options that they offer. Para at least matry mo din and share mo din sa amin yung experience with their food. Mentioned earlier, you're also paying this view. The good thing dito is sa harap tayo ng bintana to have a better access ng beachfront. While you're enjoying this, most likely mauubos mo rin yung food or habang nakikipagkwentuhan ka with your significant others or with your friends or families. O hindi kaya tumulala ka na lang kung solo ka, just like what I did. You might ask kung may time limit dito. So fortunately, wala namang time limit or minimum spend imposed sa mga kakain. So you can enjoy your meal, relax, and take in the beachfront view at your own pace. Okay, we're heading back to our hostel para mag-ayos ng gamit. At tayo'y punta sa kay Lola. Kay Lola. Kay Lola. Tomorrow is her 100th birthday celebrate. Check out ng hostel is 11:30 a.m. So it's currently 9:50. So, let's go! Prep lang ako ng gamit. Then, Lina. Hi! Nag-check out na tayo sa hostel. So, punta na tayo ng port. Hi! Thanks for our
Salunggong, chef! Sana ka?
Ah, sige kuya. Ah, thank you. I-try going to Kagpan. So since medyo nagmamadali rin tayo kasi the travel time going sa Kilalola is around 3 hours or 4 hours. Depende siya sa mga bus stop. Pero most likely yun yung travel time. So para at least hindi rin tayo gabihin sa daan and at the same time, mas makapagpahinga pa tayo considering na tomorrow yung birthday celebration ni Lola. We're here na sa Cagban Port, Salamat Gig, Boracay. After dropping off at the main gate ng Cagban Port, just like what I've mentioned on our first episode of this Boracay vlog, you have two options. Yung manual payment option, which is cash basis only, or through Boracay iPass, card payment, but with corresponding convenience fee. So since mas makakamura tayo sa manual option, so ito ang gagawin natin. Bayad muna ng terminal fee, manual na tayo. Kasi meron naman dito, window. May convenience fee, 35 pesos. This one manual, 150 pesos. And next is... Dito muna tayo, babay. Dito, cash. Yan, with credit. Please be guided. The terminal fee is also discounted for seniors, PWD, and student, which is 120 pesos na lang ang babayaran. So make sure that you bring with you your IDs for verification. Second step is payment of boat fare, which is 60 pesos per head. So make sure again na may isulat ang names ng passenger per ticket. Step 3. Proceed sa departure area at ipakita lang sa staff ang iyong terminal fee receipt at boat ticket. After stamping ng inyong ticket, kumaliwa lang kayo at makikita ninyo ang mga staff para mapalitan ang inyong boat receipt ng number tag kung saan makikita ang bangkang sasakyan at seat number ninyo. Itago lamang ito ng maigi at kukunin rin sa inyo pag nasa loob na kayo ng bangka. Step 4. Proceed lamang sa boarding area at hanapin ang pangalang sasakyan na makikita sa number tag na binigay sa inyo. Kumanan sa departure lane kung saan nakaangkla ang mga bangka. Hanapin or tanungin sa mga ground staff kung saan ang inyong bangkang sasakyan. Step 5. Pag nakita mo na ang bangka, pumila lamang na maayos. Kung may dalang gamit, may porter service naman. Depende ang bayad sa napag-usapan ninyo. Pwedeng 50 pesos to 100 pesos. Hanapin ang iyong seat number. Bago umalis ang bangka, kolektahin ang number tag sa inyo kaya siguraduhin na nasa tamang bangka at upuan kayo. Travel time from Cagban Port to Caticlan Port is 10 to 15 minutes. Kung may motion sickness, uminom ng Bonamine 1 hour before travel time, but make sure to consult your doctor first. Before disembarkation, make sure at i-double check lahat ng inyong mga gamit, walang maiiwan sa bangka. Lalo na kung may dala kayong mga maleta. Napaka-espesyal nitong travel or paglalakbay natin sa Boracay, Aklan dahil ito ang probinsya kung saan ako pinanganak. Pangalawa, ito ang unang pagkakataon na dito tayo magsisimula sa ating mga travel adventures at sa mga susunod pang mga lugar. Bilang isang first-time travel creator, napakalaking bagay na kasama ko kayo sa simula ng journey na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagsuporta sa unang hakbang ng ating travel journey. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo at may nakuha kayong tips para sa susunod ninyong gala. Saan natin susunod na gustong pumunta? I-suggest or i-recommend nyo lamang sa comment box below. Hanggang sa muli, ingat sa biyahe at see you sa susunod nating travel destination. Never miss an update. Hit subscribe, like, follow, share, and click the notification bell if you had fun watching.